Everyone. So today I'll tell you guys about this gift hamper that I got on Rakhi from my brother. So this is a gift hamper by an upcoming Himachali brand, Live in Nature. So it's a mini self-care hamper. I'll just open it and show you guys like what all we have inside it. So we've got this branding here, a gentle collection of natural treats to refresh, restore, and reconnect with yourself. So, basically, telling about this brand, they make products with natural ingredients. So let's open it and see. I've got this beautiful note inside it. It says it's containing a dry face powder, a loofah soap, cold press soap, mini traveling soap, and a balm, aromatic salve. Let's open. Okay, so this is how it looks. We have a great combination of beautiful natural colors. Here is this traveling soap. I'll show you more. So these are the little cubes that we have here. So I like traveling, so this will be sufficient enough for me during my travel course. These are like looking beautiful in color. Check out the packaging. And here I can see this is the dry face powder. Okay, the packaging is looking nice. Open this. Okay, so you can see the petals here, dried rose petals. I think this is going to be really good for my skin. I actually like using natural products, so this is a great gift for me. No chemicals, nothing. Okay, what is this? Wow, a beautiful packaging with sliding. So this is the balm. I'll smell it. Wow, it's got a beautiful aroma. Let's check out the ingredients. So it says what are the ingredients? Beeswax, cocoa butter, apricot oil, rose essential oil. Wow. So we get this apricot oil a lot in Himachal, and I'm fan of these natural ingredients. So I'll use it and I'll find out like how they are. And here you can see the loofah soap, and then I have another product that is a that's also a soap. So this is a cold pressed soap, cold processed soap, Pahadi blush. So you can see the cute label here, and we've got the ingredients also: olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil. Let's check out how it looks, how it smells. So see, a beautiful. We can see the person who's created this, all creativity going here, beautiful color and the aroma. I'm totally going to explore how they are, and I'm going to tell you all how this product was for me. Thank you guys.